I am so excited about this table. The woman I picked it up from looked to be around 70, and she said it was her mother's. And it's got a cool shape, and I know the coloration, the wood grain is going to be beautiful when I sand it and refinish it. And then look at this cool underside. It's almost like a ladder, and then this isn't metal, so I don't know if metal was on there or it's just a wood detail, but I think it's going to be really cool. I'm going to take the legs off completely. Looks like the varnish is already mostly off, so I'm thinking it'll be a pretty easy sand job. I need to take off these screws. I don't know if you can see them, but they're quite old. This one looks like it might be corroded over, but generally speaking, I think getting these legs off will be pretty easy. And then I'm looking closer at this detail here. I thought it might have been carved right into the wood, but I feel like maybe it's a piece of tape, although I can't get the edges to come up at all. If anyone knows what those are, please let me know. It would be a cool design feature, but it's on the underside of the table, so I'm not sure what function it serves. I'm done with the first rough sand of this. The wood isn't looking too terrific underneath, but I have to go in with some finer grits and I'm sure it will improve. I didn't go too close to the edges on this first round so that I didn't go through the veneer, if it is veneer, and frankly I can't quite tell because it's veneer on the bottom, which made me think it would be on the top, but it seems like it might be solid. Anyway, I'll be careful around those edges so I don't burn. Here's the back side, and as usual, I'm learning a few things on this project. I don't do that many tables, and so I don't find myself in the position of having to remove bases or legs. Now, I removed the screws on this, and then I used a putty knife to get underneath it to open it up, and as you can see, I brought up most of the veneer with it. I think if I had used a blow dryer or something like that, it probably would have been avoided, but now I'll know for next time. The other thing that I learned, thanks to someone who commented, is that this is a type of tape that woodworkers use sometimes when they're gluing two joints together and they want to open it up, glue the opposite side, and then have it close tightly. And this person said normally this is removed afterward, but for whatever reason they didn't remove this. So I'm going to see if I can sand around it or if I'll just remove it entirely, but at least I know what that is now, and it was fun to learn something new.
Lights and falling into the night. Focused on what you feel. You said you were calling a love that day.
If you were in my house 5 minutes ago, you would have heard me swear like a drunken sailor. I just finished this piece, sanded it all down, put on stain, put on top coat, etc., reattached the base and turned it over to take photos and realized one of the screws from the underside had popped through the top. Now, I used the original screws that came with it, so I don't know exactly what happened, but I am not a happy camper, because it's never as good as the first time. So I'm going to have to repair that and call it a lesson learned.
Asking who you are, say my lady. Reminiscing till my first approach, and now I finally get to call you baby. What do you know, it's love, kill is fatal, feel like drugs, still might save you, finding that bug. When it bite, it'll be like